Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find kind of old servers and grow a garden. Right now, my current server is version 1843. Oh my gosh, I can't see. I think it's 1843. And to join old servers, you can either ask people who hasn't left their server yet if you could join them. I think versions 1820 under, you can still craft the glimmering spray mutation in under 15 minutes. You can craft, I think, like 3 at once, and you don't have to waste a lot of daffodils and mango and orange tulip seed. But now you can only craft 1 per 15 minutes. To find other servers, hopefully they're a little bit older. I'm not sure if they've left the server or not. You can join connections or again ask people, exclude full servers, and just try joining and see if their server is old. It is like if you have the luck or not, but if not, they probably have the server at like the same version as you guys. So it could be new, it could be old. Let's join this one and see if I'm able to join. I'm actually nervous because I don't know who these people are. But again, it could be an old version, it could be a new version. Okay, so 1842, it is older than the one. Did I have it at 1843? I'm not sure. But I think it's a little bit older. Again, I'm not 100% sure of what I saw. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, that's the only way. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.